What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your name in Getcontact. Just a quick disclaimer, this guide is for informational purposes only and follows Getcontact's official terms of use. Always respect others' privacy and local data privacy laws when using such apps. Now let's proceed to the steps. The first thing you're going to do is to download and install the app. Grab the Getcontact app from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store if you haven't already. Next, create an account. Open the app, sign up with your mobile number, and verify it using the code sent via SMS or email. The third step would be to grant permissions. You'll need to allow access to your contacts and call logs so the app can function properly. Now to check your name or My Tags, tap on My Tags or your profile icon inside the app. You'll see how other users have saved or labeled your number. Now let's respect each other's privacy. Use this feature only to check your own number. Never share or display someone else's private info without permission because that would be illegal. Here's an optional tip: edit or remove tags. If you spot tags you don't like, you can request to delete them in the settings section of the app. And that would be all for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.